Oh, hey, I sent this off. I wasn't thinking. Let's do this too. Let's see. If we go to the actual site, we go to your shop. I'm gonna go to rings, and just because I grabbed that one, probably should have just had this dialed up before I even started this project. This one right here. What we can do is grab this. And then in MailChimp, we're going to say this. I'm going to put the link. Oops, no, not that one. Right here. We can drop that right in there. Under advanced options, we've got this open in a new window, which is just kind of a just general good thing to do on web stuff. But then again, like with this one, so get back out of here. We're going to back up and go and find earrings. And that awesome pair I got from my sister that she's gonna love. We'll go and find those. Get warmer. These. And then we'll grab that. And then in here, this one, add that link right there. And insert that. So ideally, like someone, oh crap, I didn't hit insert on that one. Go back, back, back. I think that was on like page 2, so we just go and grab that, this one. So again, copy that, and then when we drop that in there, hit insert. Okay, so now if we're going to look at that, it's got that in there, which is what we wanted, and then this one, it's in there. Just got to hit insert when we're done. But that's pretty slick because then these guys can just go right to the shop. And then while we're at it, we might as well do this and do this link here. Just go to home and grab this. I know it's already in that first paragraph, but it just seems like might as well be really. And again, that's a new window, so that's good. And insert, and we're going to save that and save this. So just thinking, like, if somebody did get the email, it's like, oh, click, I love that image. Boom, they can go right to that thing on the shop. And that's kind of what we're still waiting on doing for Instagram. And I'm working on that for 3 clients, and I will keep you posted when I find something out about it. Dami had a different kind of thing going on with her shop. She's on Shopify, and there's a slightly different connection for Instagram there. We'll see what she finds out about that. But yeah, I just wanted to like put images on the links. Vice versa, put links on the images. You know what I meant. Okay, see ya.